Hey there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I thought I would share with you how I put together the kits that went out last week. So if you missed it, you're like, Misty, what are you talking about? I created some card kits. This is the Assemble Me card kit. And in this card kit, you get supplies to make 8 cards to each of 4 designs. And you're going to see those here. And I put them together, and thank you to everyone that purchased one. And thank you so much for your kind reviews. I love that you love them. I was really excited for them, and I know not everybody was excited for the theme, but I think they turned out so fun, and I still have plenty available. So if you're interested, you can check out the link in the description box down below. So I went card by card. So the first one was one included. This is a freebie card, and it says one in a melon. And I had a whole thank you kind of bag that had the supplies to make this card. There were some stickers, and then there were some rhinestones, as you can see right there on the upper right hand corner. So that all went as a thank you to everyone, because I was thankful that people bought the kit. So I am currently working on Christmas. I hope to be able to announce that when my holiday card series starts, which will be the Wednesday after Labor Day. I think, and you guys will have to let me know what you prefer. I'm considering doing like an a la carte kit. So meaning that I would have probably 8 designs, and you could pick 4 for a base kit, and you could add on more for, like I did here. So you can add on any of the cards for, I think it was $4. So I'm thinking about doing that, because I thought I could do like 4 that are really whimsical and fun and cute, and then 4 that are a bit more traditional, and you guys can pick and choose. Maybe you want all of them. Maybe you just want one design, etc. So let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. If you're someone who's interested in coloring, I asked what you want to see on Facebook, but I clearly didn't ask it correctly. What I mean is, do you want specific techniques? So do you want layering? Do you want 1-layer cards? Do you want masking? Do you want do you want 3-dimensional cards? Like, what would you like to see in regards to that? Do you want a watercolor? Do you want to, just color with Copics? Do you want me to try to paint? Like, all of those things. What would interest you the most? Because I have a couple of ideas for that as well. So for the one in a melon card, I brought in, this is paper from, you can see there I have several packs of it. I think I have 8 packs. Clearly, I was anticipating you guys liking this theme more than you did, and that's okay. We can use some of these same ones for Christmas. But so I'm using the black and white plaid with the black and white polka dot with the hot pink. I think it looks really, really cool. So I am happy I did that. And then you can see there I had a podcast going. This is Beautiful and Bothered. It's got Johnny Ross, who's in the beauty space, and his friend. They're actually really funny together. So real fun. So here are the thank you stickers I'd already put in envelopes, and I'm packaging everything in red and green envelopes. And I picked red and green, number one, because of watermelon and strawberries, but also I thought this would be really cute for Christmas as well. So all of the cards come packed separately, and then I was putting a sticker on the front. And here I took a picture, that way if someone asks me, you could put it together this way, or you could put it together with it in the middle. This is one of my go-to card layouts. I feel like it's fun, quick, and easy. And yeah. And I wanted something simple for you guys. I didn't want it to be too much work, but I also wanted it to be fun and impactful, something that you could, feel comfortable sending to somebody else. So for the thank you ones, I went ahead and used these light blue ones. And I already have cards and envelopes separated into a envelope or one of these already. So that's why you don't see me adding those. I put all of those together in one package. So here you can see I'm using thank you stickers, because this is the thank you gift. I didn't quite do these in order. I just kind of went by what I had, what I had out and what I had beside me. but I'm making sure to put everything together, and then I'm going to put everything in one bag, and you can see the bags there to the left. So this is the berry happy birthday, or a happy berry birthday card with the cute little girl. So that has 3 pieces of paper actually. So you can see here that you get the regular pattern paper, and then I had forgotten that these also get a doily, so I had to go cut some more out. I was like, wait a minute, I'm missing something on this card. So I'm glad I assembled the cards before I did this, so I would know what needed to go where. And my stickers didn't cut correctly, but I was like, you know what, we're just going to go with it. This is probably one of my favorite cards out of the whole bunch. I think it's really, really cute. Actually, I really liked all of them. And again, I still have kits available. They are made to order, so it may take me a few days to get them out, but I need to change the processing date on them, because right now it says like August 31st, but it didn't take me nearly that much time. So this is the fruit one, which I loved so much. So for the fruit, I also have 2 pieces of paper. And what I did is, this is the paper that's cut to 4.5 by 5.5, 4.25 by 5.5. So I just cut my layers at 2 1/8. And it made sure that I didn't have any extras, etc. And I was able to get these done pretty quickly. That's kind of how I made them for me. And I love all of the cards, but this one is actually really fun too. So I'm going to get those in their packets, and then we'll be ready to assemble the strawberry with the bunnies, which is also another card I love. I really love all of them. I think they turned out cute, and I kept them simple because beginner friendly. And maybe I need to offer either different tiers. Again, you guys give me all the feedback that you have. Different tiers, like advanced or beginner, or maybe different techniques like embossing, or maybe, forgetting the theme, like putting themes aside, what kind of techniques and stuff do you want to see? So yeah. And that was the thing, like when I did the product-based classes with Stampin' Up, you would get the product, you would decide if that was product that you wanted, and you would buy the product, and then I would just create kits using that product. So this has been a little bit of a different learning curve, because, I am designing everything from scratch. It's not coming from, items that are already available. Now, I will say that the new gingerbread kisses from Doodlebug, holy crap on a cracker, that stuff is adorable. So I don't know if I'll do a class on it, but I'm definitely going to have some fun with it for the holiday card series. Now, for the strawberry cards, I gave you the option of either doing blonde, brunette, or the dark haired. And I had someone buy a couple of blondes, so that's why you see me with that. And I'm just cleaning off a space for me. I think I was trying to find another one of the sentiments, but also the paper. So I have the whole entire back as the polka dot paper. And that's a really fun paper because it's got pink and green and red polka dots on the back. And there you can see, I just turn on YouTube and just get stuff done. This is how I also color and craft as well. You guys are going to see a card on Wednesday where I had this going for hours and hours and hours. So it's time to put these together, and then I'm tying these together because this is the one that has the blonde, and that one's separate from the rest of them. Number one, I believe it was Debbie, I don't remember. She got 2 extra cards, and they were blonde. So I wanted to make sure that I had some way to differentiate between the other ones because I didn't want to get them all mixed up. And again, I'm just using stickers that match the kit to close the envelopes because I didn't want them going around and around and around. Then I made these fun little thank you cards, and I just wrote a quick note on the back. And once I've done that, then we will be done. We're going to get all of this put away. So this is just, you see August intentions, and that's because I was like, I have all of this extra space. Let me make some stickers that I want to use. And here I'm just double checking that I put in enough cards and envelopes, and then it's all going to go into the berry bags, which I thought were adorable. So we have the envelopes and stuff in the polka dot, and then we have the other 4, and then they go into the bag. And then they get a thank you. And that is one put together. And then I just had these leftover stickers, so I just added them to the front. And that's it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Again, these will be, you can find a link to this in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, it is $20 plus shipping. So you get all of the supplies you saw here. And I may change up the thank you cards. I don't know yet. But unless you definitely want that one in a melon, just let me know. But anyway, thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to come back Wednesday for another card using goodies from Gerda Steiner. I can't believe we're edging so much closer to September in the holiday card series. Rob said that last night. He's like, you're about to start making holiday cards, aren't you? And I was like, yes, I need to get on top of that because I want to have some filmed ahead, and I haven't done that yet. So yeah, anyway, here's a look at everything out of the bag. So yeah, thank you again to those of you who purchased, and you can still purchase if you want to. All of the links will be in the description box down below. Okay, bye for now.